Hey guys, today I'll try to turn off SOS Only on your iPhone. So if you guys are wondering how to turn off the SOS Only on your iPhone, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to turn this off. If you are experiencing this, or if you just want to go ahead and turn it off, well, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do that step by step. So what we need to do first is to easily go ahead and just toggle airplane mode on or off. This is easily gonna be located on your control centers. By tapping on airplane mode right here, go ahead and just tap on this to toggle it on, and then toggle it off again, and go ahead and try both methods while it is on and off, and see if that's gonna turn it, the SOS Only off. One more thing that we could also do is to go ahead and use your primary SIM card as your mobile data, or what we could also do is to tap on settings, tap on cellular, and then over here on our primary SIM. This is what we should use as our network for our data line. One more thing that we could also do is to proceed with updating and restarting your iPhone. Now, one of the main issues as to why you're experiencing problems like, as you do not have the latest version of iOS installed, so go ahead and try to locate the software update of your device. See if you have a new iOS version ready to be updated and installed onto your device. And this is basically gonna fix all of those bugs, give you the best features, and basically solve simple problems like this. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next.